Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video we will look at the top 5 portable fire pit grills available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. FireSense Fire Pit Grills. This outdoor fire pit measures 22 inches and is perfect for all your small fire needs. This wood fire pit is very portable as it is foldable and collapsible. Multifunction outdoor companion. From roasting summer s'mores to warming up on a cool autumn night and beyond, a steel fire pit is a great way to make the most of any patio or deck. This fire pit comes with many cooking essentials that can be stored in the bag. This cooking fire pit uses wood chunks as its source of fuel. Removable mesh cover. Place the mesh cover on the fire pit to prevent any sparks from escaping, and use the poker to easily lift and readjust the wood when need be. This fire pit for outside is the ideal outdoor and camping accessory. Number 4. Pleasant Hearth Fire Pit Grills. Longer lasting. The included wood grate allows airflow to move around the firewood. This will help to provide a bigger, longer lasting fire. Removable mesh cover. Place the mesh cover on the fire pit to prevent any sparks from escaping, and use the poker to easily lift and readjust the wood when need be. Rust prevention. Drain holes help prevent water buildup, providing longer life. The ash catcher located underneath the fire bowl catches falling ashes from the drain hole, helping prevent flyaway ashes and embers. Ready to grill. Turn your backyard gathering into a quick barbecue. Let your firewood burn down to a coal and grill up your favorite foods by inserting the removable chrome cooking grid. Your food will be full of flavor, and you won't even have to leave the party. Number 3. Campfire Defender Fire Pit Grills. Versatility. The Trailblazer is designed to function as a camp stove, campfire, or grill all in one compact package. Burn using wood, sticks, charcoal, or wax logs. Perfect burns. Using our patented fire mesh technology, your fires and fuel will burn hotter and more efficiently than traditional pits. By allowing airflow in from underneath the fuel, we allow the maximum amount of oxygen into your coals. Portability redefined. We pushed the limits of material engineering and design to get the Trailblazer's weight down to just 3.2 pounds. When packed, the Trailblazer is about the size of a standard thermos, but its intuitive design opens up much like a camp chair to host a 12-inch by 12-inch burn area, perfect for 1 to 4 people. Simple. The Trailblazer prides itself on its simplistic yet rugged design. There are no fasteners or bolts to lose and no tools to fumble with at night. The Trailblazer's patented crossbrace design gives it a low center of gravity for stability on windy nights or elevated surfaces. Number 2. Sundale Outdoor Fire Pit Grills. Safe and warm bonfire experience. Bring the glow of the northern lights to your own patio sanctuary with the warmth of a handcrafted outdoor wood-burning fire pit. Featuring a spark screen which prevents wayward embers from escaping, the fire pit is sure to be an outdoor centerpiece. Thoughtful design. A safety ring encompasses the entire diameter of the portable fire pit and functions as a convenient handle for carrying. Heavy-duty material. The wood fire pit is constructed from 0.7 mm thick steel, better than 0.5 mm, and finished with high-temperature resistant black finish, and each part is connected with premium metal hardware. Multifunction outdoor companion. From roasting summer s'mores to warming up on a cool autumn night and beyond, a steel fire pit is a great way to make the most of any patio or deck. Number 1. Serene Life Fire Pit Grills. Fire pit and barbecue grill in one. The patio fire pit wood-burning fireplace not only provides heat to keep you warm during the cold night, it also doubles as a barbecue grill. Perfect for outdoor entertaining, bonfire pit, camping, and more. Safe and reliable. This round wood-burning fire pit comes with a mesh spark screen to protect you and loved ones from flying embers and includes a fire poker, making it easier to control and safer than traditional bonfires. Made to last. Serene Life wood fire pits feature a sturdy metal fire pit and steel frame construction material with high-temperature black heat-resistant coating paint finish for durability and long-term use to last a lifetime. Easy to assemble. This raised fire pit is easy to assemble with 2 persons and takes only 15 minutes to put together. It is equipped with a wood storage shelf and has a large load-bearing capacity. Comes with all the necessary hardware for easy assembly. Complete set. The Campfire tree trunk fire pit is portable and lightweight and can be easily moved anywhere.